Hi guys, welcome back. Today we are going to design another Pinterest pin. In this case, it's going to be a different style. So, first and foremost, let's go to Uploads here on the left bottom section, and then click Upload your own images, and then let's choose another style from stock photos. Okay, so just drag this one here, and let's choose the section that we want. Next, go to the Elements and click Shapes. Choose the square shape. Okay, so let's just adjust this and let's click the shape and then go to Color Picker and choose the white color. Right, so now we're going to click the square shape and then we're going to go here on the transparency on the upper right. It says transparency here and then we're going to adjust that. So for this style, we're just going to make it a little transparent. Next, let's go to text and then add heading. Let's start typing how to, then we're going to copy this, so just click on it and then click copy. Now let's add heading here. We want this to be bigger, so just click on that and then change the font size to 80. Then we're going to change the font to Pacifico again, because Pacifico looks good with League Spartan. As you can see, now it looks stunning. So then we highlight it and change the colour to pink, because black and pink will create an eye-popping combination. Next, let's just adjust this. Copy this again and change it. Now let's copy the word blog and change it to number 20. So let's make this number 20 a bit bigger than it is now. We have this how to start a blog in just 20 minutes. Next, we're going to create a footer here. So let's just adjust that and pick color black. Next, we're heading to transparency, in case if you want this is to be less transparent. Just click on this and then go to transparency, where we have choices to make a color more solid and less transparent, or more transparent and less solid. But I think it looks good at 91, right? You can always adjust it if you want. So again, let's go to text and click on subheading, and while we're going to add our website again, but first let's change the color to white. Okay, and let's add our website address here. Alright, so now this is what it looks like. But if you'd like, you can also change the background. For that, go to Uploads and click Upload your images, and then you can choose a different design. Now we're going to drag this one here, but you can see it's overlapping. So we're going to click Arrange and then click back. Here, just delete the blue first and instead choose the pink, and then let's resize it if we're trying to make it bigger. For that, just drag this and now you can see that it covered the whole thing. So it's important to click on this and then we go to Arrange and then back. Let's make it for all the sections here. Alright, so that is how to make one more different style on Pinterest. Thank you for watching.